In a lush tropical village where the air was thick with the scent of blossoms and the hum of cicadas, a young girl named Anya often sat beneath a mango tree watching the world go by. She was quiet and observant, but deep inside, her heart burst with dreams too big for her tiny village. She wanted to travel, to discover what lay beyond the rice paddies and dusty roads. But life, as it often does, had other plans. Anya was expected to stay put, to help out on the family farm, to eventually marry someone from the village and settle down like everyone else. Still, every night she looked up at the stars and whispered to them, "One day I'll fly away, just like a butterfly." One afternoon, while clearing out the old storage shed, Anya came across a tattered book. It was about a butterfly species that migrated thousands of miles each year from one continent to another, braving storms and hunger to find a new home. She clutched the book to her chest and made up her mind. She would become like the butterfly, fragile but determined, small but unshakable. Anya began to save up every coin she could. She helped villagers with chores, sold handmade crafts, and never lost sight of her dream. There were days she broke down in tears, days when others laughed at her, told her to grow up and stop chasing fantasies. But she refused to back down. Years passed. Slowly, her cocoon of limitations began to fall away. One morning, without telling anyone, she packed a small bag, hugged her parents goodbye, and set off down the winding path leading out of the village. Her heart pounded, not with fear but with freedom. Her journey was not smooth. She missed trains, ran out of money, and once even had to sleep on a bus stop bench in a city she couldn't pronounce. But at each stop, she picked up new skills, made friends from different cultures, and learned more about the world and herself than she ever imagined. Eventually, Anya found work as a travel writer. Her stories inspired thousands. She sent books and postcards back home, showing the village that one of their own had made it. And when she finally returned, years later, wings stronger and colors brighter, the whole village came out to welcome her. The same people who once told her to stay now told their daughters, "Be brave like Anya, chase your dreams." And under the same mango tree where she once sat, she whispered, "Butterflies don't ask for permission to fly, they just do."